In the morning, Fan mountains are even more spirit-lifting with their brightness and freshness of the air. While breakfast is being prepared, there is some time to have a trekking to Elodin Lakes, located a bit higher the camp. We included trekking into the tour program intentionally. Not only a short walk allows to stretch the body after long hours of riding a motorcycle, but also to see extraordinary beauty of Elodin Lake, which cannot be reached by a motorcycle. The road to Dushanbe passes through breathtaking mountain saddles. We have to be very careful here. Just glance down the road to understand consequences of any driver's mistake. A well-known Enzop tunnel runs through the top of the ridge. Strangely enough, it used to be famous not for its ability to make your way through the ridge 5 hours faster, but due to its terrible technical conditions. Just imagine 5 kilometers of darkness with no light, ventilation, and water dropping from the ceiling, sometimes reaching high the wheel. All these circumstances inspired a terrible fear to everybody who has been there for the first time. As you pass through, it feels like you're born again. Fortunately, the tunnel was overhauled not so long ago, so now it is a road with no complications and hassle.
Tunnel of death. We survived.
We arrived to Dushanbe safe and sound by the evening. It was Qurbanite holiday at that day, a major Muslim holiday celebrated all around the countries. Traditionally, people congratulate each other, give presents, go out, and every family has their table laid all the time to welcome neighbors and relatives. Our group checked in the hotel right at the moment when the hotel owners laid a table in their yard with various delicious food and sweets. We were seated at this table, dashing from one place to another. Everything turned out to be unexpectedly pleasant. We felt ourselves very lucky that evening.
وكان بالمؤمنين رحيما.
Dushanbe is a great city to have a break. Freshen yourself and motorcycles up before hitting the road to Pamir. Therefore, we have an extra day to rest. On this day, there is enough time to have a walk around the city, visit National Museum of Tajikistan, so that the participants of the tour could have general understanding about the country and people who live here.
I think more of the recent history, starting from about 1900 until now, has been the most interesting part for me.
Another attraction worth visiting in Dushanbe is the well-known flag of Tajikistan, which towers over the city in a park. The flagpole has a height of 165 meters. The flag size is 1,800 square meters and weight is 420 kilos. In general, the city of Dushanbe has become even more beautiful for the past years. Better roads, new hotels and restaurants, largely due to the growth of inbound tourism. Not so long ago, it has become a tradition for us visiting local motorcycle club named Ibis, which means a snow leopard. Motorcycle movement in Tajikistan appeared quite recently. In other Central Asian republics, the official annual events as opening and closing ceremony of the motor season appeared about 20 years ago. In Tajikistan, first such event took place in 2015. Despite the fact that Tajik bikers were the last ones to declare themselves, they have already managed to gain a very positive reputation among motorists for quite a decent technical base in Dushanbe, where travelers may completely count on getting support and repairing and maintaining a motorcycle.